For the Yorkshire Magazine. Sir, as your design is professedly to give an historical as well as a descriptive account of this county of York, I take the liberty to send to you the first part of a very ancient historical ballad entitled The Battle of Newland, and which I believe is entirely out of print except the black letter copy from which this is taken. It is written in 4 parts. If you approve for the first here sent, the succeeding parts shall be transmitted on the appearance of the first in your useful magazine. If you do not like the last stanza, you may omit it, but I thought it my duty to transmit the ballad free from mutilation. If the ballad serves to amuse any of your numerous readers, it will fully answer the intention of the Pinder of Wakefield. There is also a curious commentary upon it, which appears to have been wrote upwards of 100 years after the ballad, but as it will exceed the limits allowed by you for insertion, I shall omit sending it.